This is a dead seal on the beach of Fair Isle, and the gulls have been picking at it. This used to be the head. You can see the lower jaw and the canine tooth from the seal, and the birds, the gulls, will pick in at the head because that's where it's open to get to the interior of the body. There's not much left of the skull, which I'd like to keep if it decayed, but anyways, the gulls have been picking at this, but it's hard for it to get in. So you would think it'd smell, but it's pretty freshly dead, and it doesn't smell. Now the gulls will be able to get inside to the inner cavity and eat like kings. Maybe we'll get a rare gull. An ivory gull is what I'm hoping for the new year. Only a few minutes later, we've already got a blackback gull. It's been 2.5 days and no rare gulls, but the bodies, you can see the ribs are picked clean. When you open up the carcass like this, it allows it to decay a lot faster. Three days later, and the carcass has been pushed around a bit, but you can see the gulls have really gotten inside and eaten a lot of the innards. No rare gulls yet. No rare gulls yet, nope. But there's been a few gulls having a good feed. It's been about 12 days now, and as you can see, there's not much left but skin and bones, and even this will deteriorate pretty quick from off the beach. A carcass like that, you know, if it's opened up, it disappears from the beach pretty quick. It's fed a lot of gulls, none rare unfortunately for me, but it's a lot better than to have a big, bloated, stinking mass on the beach for months at a time. This has disappeared pretty quick, and it's just going to continue to go faster and faster. And on a happy note, there's plenty of seals around on the island, more than ever. So I'll show you a picture of one now on a different beach. And because there's more seals than ever, we're getting more orca sightings than ever. So, anyways, here's a little seal pup that's lying on the beach here down by the South Light. This one's still alive, and he's just caught in at high tide at the moment.